Hey, what's up, guys? We're the Caper Couple. I'm Kevin. This is Laura.
Well, he knows his name today, actually.
If you're new to our channel, guys, please subscribe, give us a like. And today we're out on the Mira, out for a nice drive. We're going to see if we can get you guys some nice views of the island. And we'll actually show you the ride too, because I've got the 360 camera positioning it in different points on the car to give you guys a little bit of a different perspective. So I guess I'll catch you at our first stop, guys. Peace. Hi guys, we're back. We decided to stop here at this beautiful little lake, show you guys around here. I'll put the drone up. We're a few kilometers past what was it called? French Loop?
Yeah, French Loop.
Past the French Loop, so I guess I'll shoot the drone up here, guys, show you the area, and we'll catch you back in a bit. Peace.
Peace.
Guys, we're back. We're in the car because the flies here, the little black flies, are just horrendous. I'm eaten to death around my neck, so I got a bit of footage for you guys of out around the lake here, and we're gonna head up further now and see what else we can film for you guys. So I'll catch you in a bit. Peace. Hey guys, we're back. We actually took a wrong turn and we ended up in Gabarus. So we're going to show you around here a bit with the Mavic Mini and catch you back in a bit, guys. Peace. See ya. Hey guys, we're back, and what'd you think of that flight along the coast over there, and the view of the small little village with all the fishing boats? And before we get out of here, guys, we thought we'd stop at this lighthouse again and show you guys this in the summertime, because I know last time we were here there was all kinds of snow on the ground. And we'll try and get you guys a little flight here before we head out. See, there's all kinds of markers here for some reason. I would say it was probably because of COVID-19. They were trying to keep people out of here, maybe. Not sure, guys. Oh, it says wet paint all over the tags, but nothing was painted. So, with that being said, I'll put the Mavic Mini up. I can't get you guys too much footage here, guys, because I'm just about out of battery from the last 2 flights, and I only have 1 battery, so I guess I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Peace. Okay guys, before we leave here, we just found a little trail to the side of the lighthouse. Well, Laura did.
Found it.
Laura found the trail.
Not we.
So there's, sorry about the gimbal, guys, I touched the cord.
We.
Look at how beautiful the rock is out there, guys. You see that? Wicked, isn't it? I would have flew over that, but I ran out of battery. So
let's go.
Show you a little bit of it in here before we get out of here, guys.
What more up here?
Show you guys a little bit of the trail before we take off.
You think you're funny. We found. You were looking for Laura. Laura.
Yeah, get going.
He's so funny, guys. He makes me laugh
She
every
is
day.
a pick.
Well, you pick. I tell the facts. You pick.
But there you go, guys. It's
And it says rocks there.
a nice little trail here. It's all those redwood chips.
I want to get this in our yard.
Beautiful trail. So come out, check out Gabarus. Beautiful little fishing village, guys. It's only the 2nd time we've been out here.
This is hard to go because it says not to pass there.
Yeah, it's a cliff. I flew down this far last time we were out here.
Beautiful though.
So check that out, guys. I love the way the rock is here. It's awesome. That is awesome. So we're parked just up, you can barely see the tag sticking out the ground. That's where the lighthouse is. And there's a driveway there, brings you up. You can drive right up to the lighthouse. Just be kind, guys, because there is an old couple lives right next door to it. In the round home that you'll see me fly close to. But beautiful place. Nice spot to come check out. I've got to adjust my mic again, guys. So, with that being said, if Missy will wait for me so we can do her ending. She likes to take off. I guess we'll end it here, guys. And until the next one,
Catch you later, people. Hit that smash button, guys.
Hit that like button.
I like the smash. I like smash.
So subscribe to the channel, guys. Comment down below. Make sure your post notifications are on. Like she said, smash that like button.
Smash.
And until the next one,
Catch you later, people. Mwah.
bye, guys.